guys, in vlog number 2 that I am going to start school starting, so I'm going to start posting every other day, okay? And so yesterday I didn't post, but today, and then today is Tuesday, and then Thursday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, and so on, okay? I'm not going to tell you like my schedule for like my whole year, but today I am going to go play Airsoft. I got all my stuff ready, and well, got hair. Well, oh yeah. Well, I don't have a GoPro, so I can't do that. So yeah. Hopefully for my birthday, which is in April, and right now is January, I will get a GoPro, okay? And then next time I go play Airsoft, I can invite you guys, okay? It's like all those good vloggers have like GoPros and all that stuff, so then they can like hold it while they're like, so they can put it on like their vest when they go play Airsoft, or like those pro Airsoft people. Sorry, that's probably really staticky. I hit my iPad twice with it, but well, I don't know when I'm going, but I'm probably going soon. My battery for my rifle, I have an electric rifle. Like, my rifle is electric. It's an AEG, which means Airsoft electric gun. It's charging right now, so I have to let that charge until I can play, okay? So I'll meet y'all down. I'll be back. So guys, those were my 2 Airsoft friends. That pistol I just got for Christmas. So it is the first time I'm ever using it in battle. So I hope it works out. It's the only CO2 gun that SS Airsoft will allow people to use. Okay? I don't know why, but it's a Elite Force 1911 A1 TAC CO2. So y'all like play at SS Airsoft, when y'all go play Airsoft and you want to use a CO2 gun for your pistol. Only one allowed. Literally today my dad checked. So, yeah. But poor turtle. Light doesn't work. You don't see him? There he is. That's probably really bad video. That's probably the worst part of my video. This guy's signed by Davis. It's a women tennis player for America. America. Okay, well, so I'm not happy that I can't. I'm not happy that I'm not mad. I'm mad because I can't video me doing airsoft. So, but guys, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And please tell your friends. I need to grow in popularity. Well, I don't need to. It's just that I really want to hit that silver play button. I want to get 100K. And then I want to hit that gold play button. And then that diamond play button. If vloggers can even get that far. I have no idea. But, so guys, I just want to hit those markers. Please, at least the silver play button, okay? At least. It will make me the happiest man on earth. Like, I would die as a happy man. If y'all listen to country, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can play that song. Man, guys, I can't get that on video. Well, I can't get it to play. So, yeah. We are about 7 minutes in, so I hope that, guys, I hope that my videos haven't been I hope my videos haven't been boring, okay? And you know that softball video, like that random softball video, and I said don't watch? Well, if you watched that and you really liked it, comment down below that you liked it, and I will try to post more of those videos, okay? But it's not going to be until like the springtime, okay? So, yeah, because I don't play, my sister doesn't play all year long. She only plays in the spring and the fall, which is a bummer. Okay, so yeah. Hold on. Wait. Comment down in the section below if you know the sound. Comment down below if you know that sound. Okay. And I will comment back to as many people possible telling them if they have the correct answer, okay? Yeah. Hold on. Won't focus. Five coins. No. $10.23 in that. And that. This thing. So yeah. Well guys, hopefully, tell me if y'all want my videos to be longer or not. Just tell me down in the comments below. Basically, just tell me anything down in the comments below, okay? Just not mean stuff. So, well guys, this will be the end of this episode, guys, vlog, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog on Thursday. So, I'll see y'all there. Bye.